Yeah, hello, good morning once again. I'm Richard Dupey here. Today is national. But please, because we really need wins, I have something to show you guys today, and please pay a closer attention to the plan. It's a working plan, and it maintains the old two short though, but still it's set with different numbers and different keys. So let's go straight to it without wasting much time. Opening of the year in the year 2022 and it ends in 2023. So we start from event 3141. You first see a number 77. That is the smallest number on the event, and then the biggest number on the event is 79. The smallest number on the event is 7, and the biggest number on the event is 79. So you see the 7 at second position, and then the biggest number at the fourth position. So following week, the smallest number will come out and play in machine. That is 7 playing in machine. So as you play in each winning, you will see 51. 51 is a constant figure. So the 51 will play over there. So as the 51 play, go back, stand on the 79. A number play over there, that is 64 in machine. On top of it, 12 will play. The 12, you see where the 12 play. As the 12 play on the event, then that number will go under it. That is group 1. Will go under the 12. That is 64. So you, as the 51 and then the 7 play in machine. Following week, another number also play in machine. That is 60. The 60 maintain itself. That is some 0 number. Following week, 12 will play. That 12 on top of the number that play in machine over there, that 12 will play. So as the 12 play, you count from the 12, 5 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks down. Then that 60. You see the 60 over there. That 60 will come. As the 0 number to play, 60 will come. Then the number under the 12. The number under the 12 that the 12 come to play on the way. That number 64 will also come and play with the 60, the 0 number, this one and this one. So you see that the 64 will come and play. The 60 will also come and play. So that is the 64 under the 12 will come and play. So following week, you will see that this 64 will have to repeat. The group 1, that is 64 under the 12, will repeat. Then constant figure 51. The 51 will come as a full banker and play with each counter. So you will see 51 group 6 playing with each counter group 6. So this 51, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 weeks down, the 60 will play, the 64 will also play. Then following week, the 51 will play. Then the 64, that play will repeat to join, to give the third number. Then, you see where the 12 is. You see where the 12 is. The 12 over there. You see where the 12 is. That 12, and then an ND5 on the event. ND5 on that event, that is 25. If you count 4 weeks up, 1, 2, 3, 4. The smallest number on the 4 weeks up event, the smallest number here is 3. So that number will be added to this 28. If you add it to the 28, it will give you you add it to 25 and it's going to give you 28. So you either see the 28, the addition at winning, or the machine itself. So here you see the 3 plus the 28, 3 plus 28. So you notice that these two numbers, 3, 25, will give you addition 28. single 3, 25 will give you addition 28. So the 28 is there. So those two numbers, so the single 3, 25 will also play on the event. So we'll give you single 3, that single 3, the smallest one over there will come. Then the ND5 over there will also come and play. That is 25 single 3, that give you addition 28. So on the event you can see this 51 coming back and playing with the counter. That is the main two show. The 64 that play under the 12 that come to play with the 60. That 64 will also repeat to give you the third number. Then this single 3 and then the 25 will also play to give you the total 5 numbers. So single 3, 25, 51, single 6, and then the 64. So now that is the first one. So now let's go to the second one. This is the second one, doing the same thing, maintain some of the keys and then playing different numbers. So at event 3154, 3154, just like we saw 3136, the smallest number is 12 bar. Let's start from the event 3159, just like how we start from 3141. So the smallest number on that event is single 8. That is the single number, and the biggest is 85, just like that one. Single 7, 79. So single 8, 85. The smallest number single 8, the biggest number 85. Following week, you will see 51 play at winning. Then the single 8 will go to machine, just like how the same thing. 51 play, the single 7 will come back to machine. The same thing, the single 8 will come back to machine. Then the 51 will play. Following week, you will see a 0 number that is 10 on the event. 10 on the event. Then following week, 12 will play over there. So when you go up, you will see that the group 1 over there is 19. The counter of the how do you call it? The counter of the 64. 12 play and then he play under it. Just like how this 64 play under the 12, the same 19 also play under the 12. So as the 19 play under the 12, you will notice that counting from this 12, the 12 from here to play, counting 5 weeks down from that 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You notice that this 10, that is the ND0, will come and play at second position, just like the 60 playing at second position. The same 10 will also play at second position. Then the 19 under the 12 will also come as a group 1 to play for you at winning. So you will see that the 10 and then the 19 will play 10, 19, just like the way the 60, 64 also play. The same 10, 19 will play. So as the 10, 19 play, then following week this 51 will have to come back as a full banker and play with each counter. Single 6, 51. Single 6, 51 as a full bank, full two shot on its own. Then this 19 that play, the 19 will have to repeat, just like the way the 64 also repeated. The 19 will also have to repeat as the third number. So 19 single 6, 51. 19 single 6, 51. Those are the 3 numbers. Then now we come back to where the 12 play on top of the 19. ND5 on that event, that is 45. When you count 4 weeks up, 1, 2, 3, 4, you notice that the smallest number on that event is 12. Group 3. So you can see the group 3 on the event is single 3. That you add to the 25 before it gives us 28. So the same, you see the 12 on the event, you add it to the ND5 on the event to give us 57. This time around, they put the 57 at winning. So 12 plus 45 will give us 57. The 57 is at winning. So we add the 12 and then the 45 to the 19, 51, and then the single 6. So this become our 5 numbers. As you can see, 51, single 6, 19. That become our 3 numbers. Our main two draw is 51, single 6. Then the 12, the group 3, and then the ND5 will give us 12, 45. That is addition 57. So 51 maintain itself with the counter, single 6, and then the 19 repetition. So 3 numbers, 51, single 6, 19. So 1245 will give us the 5 numbers, all the 5 numbers. So the 5 numbers become 51, single 6, 19, 12, 45. So I will write them at the description below, so you go there, then you check it out. Those are our 5 numbers for National today. Full bankers, single 51. Any of the numbers can be a banker, but 51 as our main banker. Thank you very much for being here. We only hope for a win today. You know it's a working plan, so nobody fears. Bye for now.